There is a secret method with the help of which you can make all the pimples on your face disappear within 15 days, and at the same time, you can make your skin glow. Hearing this, you must be feeling excited. You might be thinking, is this even possible? But yes, this is possible, and many actors follow these secret techniques. They follow these secret techniques because of which their face glows so much. Now, dermatologists, that is, skin doctors, know a lot of these secrets, but they don't tell them, because if they tell these secrets to everyone, then all the big companies that sell you expensive creams and costly products would shut down. Just applying creams is not going to change anything. So how can you get glowing skin? How can you achieve glowing skin? So, hi everyone. According to a study, skin has become one of the biggest problems for many people. People worry so much about their skin that their self-confidence is almost completely destroyed. A research was done on teenagers, and it was found that more than 80% of teenagers feel troubled, demotivated, and depressed in their lives because of their skin, because of pimples on their skin. Many of you watching this must also be teenagers who feel very low confidence because of your skin. There are so many people who go to school or tuition and cannot talk to anyone confidently because they know their skin is not good, they don't look good, and they have many pimples on their face. If this has ever happened to you, then write yes first in the comments. If this has never happened to you, then write no first in the comments. Today's comment will tell you that this problem is not only yours. There are millions of people who are facing this problem today. Now, what is the solution to this problem? First of all, you need to understand that all these expensive products you are using, all the random things you are applying, stop all of that. Today, I will tell you 5 secret techniques with the help of which your skin will start glowing. I learned these techniques by talking to many dermatologists, skin doctors, over the past week. I realized that skincare is actually very simple, and scientifically, by following just a few steps, you can make your skin very beautiful. I will tell you 5 steps, but before that, let's understand what Vedic science says. Vedic science says that pimples on your face are of 3 types. One type of pimples appear on the forehead. One type appears on the cheeks or nose. One type appears on the chin area. The reasons for these 3 types of pimples are different. If you have pimples on your forehead, they are due to stress. Maybe you are not able to sleep properly at night, or you are worried about something. Exam stress, for example. Whenever exams come, you must have noticed that pimples start appearing on your forehead. The second type of pimples appear on the cheeks. These pimples mainly occur because of your stomach, meaning your digestive system. If you eat junk food daily or oily food regularly, you may see many pimples here. And if you have pimples on your chin area, those pimples are mainly due to hormonal changes. There are many hormonal changes happening inside your body, which is very natural. So these are the 3 types of pimples explained by Vedic science. Now, it is possible to remove all 3 types of pimples. How is it possible? Let's understand. Step 1. High oxygen level. Science says that if your body's oxygen level is high, your skin will automatically glow. Now, how can your oxygen level increase? You must have seen that actors and actresses do just one thing. They drink a high amount of water. In many interviews, you hear them say the same line. We drink a lot of water, 6 liters, 7 liters a day, because of which our skin glows. This is scientifically proven. The more water you drink, the higher your body's oxygen level will be, and because of that, your skin will start glowing automatically. There is another method written in many scientific books, yoga. In yoga, there is one posture that helps increase oxygen levels greatly. That posture is called Shirsasana, the headstand. In this posture, your head is down and your legs are up. You are upside down. When you go upside down, blood circulation increases towards your face. When blood reaches your face, a high amount of oxygen also reaches there. This gives a lot of oxygen to your skin pores, and your skin starts glowing within just 15 days. I'm not saying this. Many scientific researches and many dermatologists say this. So this was the first and most important step. Step 2. Skincare routine. I asked many dermatologists one question: should everyone follow a skincare routine, and how should it be done? They said that everyone should follow a skincare routine, especially teenagers, and it has only 3 steps. You don't need expensive products. First, know your skin type. How do you find your skin type? Wash your face with cold water and apply nothing. After 30 minutes, touch your face. If it feels very tight or rough, dry skin. If it feels oily, oily skin. If it looks red or irritated, sensitive or irritated skin. Now follow these 3 steps. Morning routine. Dry skin, wash face with water only. Sensitive skin, apply ice, cold therapy. Oily skin, use a face wash, any brand you like. Second step, sunscreen. Apply sunscreen once a day. It protects your skin from UV rays. Third step, night routine. Wash your face with cold water or face wash if oily skin, then apply a normal moisturizer or cream. Vitamin C cream is good, but not compulsory. No need to buy new products. Companies fool you by saying you will become fair in 15 days. Skin color cannot be changed, but glow can be achieved. Step 4. Good diet. Most pimples on cheeks are due to poor digestion. If you eat oily food daily, junk food or outside food, fat deposits increase in your blood, which reflects on your skin as pimples. No product can fix bad diet. Actors and actresses give high priority to diet. Step 5. Good sleep. Good sleep is extremely important. At night, dead skin cells are removed and new cells are formed. If you don't sleep at least 6 to 7 hours, this process does not happen. Poor sleep causes pimples, especially during exams. Step 6. Vedic method. Breathing. Always breathe through your nose, not your mouth. Mouth breathing allows bacteria to enter your body and blood, which harms your skin and health. Nose hairs filter bacteria and protect your body. Always breathe through your nose. Final tip. Your grandparents used to say, "Don't touch your face again and again." Why? Because our hands carry bacteria, germs, and viruses. When we touch our face, they spread and damage our skin. So touch your face as little as possible. These were scientific and Vedic techniques explained with the help of dermatologists. We learned that even basic techniques can improve our skin. Thank you, everyone. If this helped you, share it with a friend who might be struggling with this problem. Thank you. See you in the next video.